Understanding the phrase, missed the point. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to explore the phrase, missed the point. It's a common expression in the English language, and understanding it can help you grasp the subtleties of English conversations and texts. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. The phrase, missed the point, is used to indicate that someone has failed to understand the essential part or the main idea of a discussion, argument, or story. It's not about missing factual information, but rather about not grasping the underlying message or the core concept that is being communicated. For example, if someone focuses on the minor details of a story and ignores its moral or main message, they have missed the point of the story. You can use missed the point in various contexts. Here are some examples. 1. In debates or arguments. When someone focuses on trivial details instead of addressing the main argument, you might say they have missed the point of the debate. 2. In everyday conversations. If a friend gives advice, but you think they misunderstood your situation, you might gently tell them that they've missed the point of what you were trying to express. 3. In academic or work settings. When discussing complex topics, if a colleague overlooks the main objective of a project or an idea, pointing out that they've missed the point can help redirect the focus to what's essential. Identifying when someone has missed the point is crucial for effective communication. Look out for these signs. 1. Responses that are off topic. If the response doesn't address the main issue or question, it's likely they've missed the point. 2. Overemphasis on minor details. Focusing too much on specifics that don't affect the overall understanding might indicate missing the point. 3. Confusion or misunderstanding. If there's a clear disconnect between the discussion and someone's understanding or response, it might be a case of missing the point. Understanding and correctly using the phrase, missed the point, can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It helps in clearly conveying when an essential part of a conversation or argument is overlooked. Remember, effective communication is not just about the words we use, but also about ensuring that the core message is understood. I hope this lesson helps you in your journey of mastering English, and as always, happy learning!